Well, this is the start. The start of these room makeovers. Hey everyone, and welcome to today's video. I'm really excited about this. These are our befores of the kids' bedrooms. We have made some changes because we have another baby coming in about 2 months. So I'm going to walk you through some of the products we got that I'm really enjoying so far, and show you the after. So welcome, my name is Kirsty. I hope you're ready for some inspiration with today's cleaning, organizing video. So here we go. So I just got these from Target. I've got 2 sets of these. Then for duvet covers, which I've already washed, let's get the box. These I got Bed Bath & Beyond. I've got 2 sets of these. Then let's go check. Here's the bed we have to put together. Gotta put this big thing together. I think I'll move that bed into here. I've already started. I've moved that across. So current construction zones. We're getting there. Move these over. The bed brand is called Max and Lily, and you can find it on Amazon. Pages and pages and pages of instructions. It's the same as the single bed brand that we already had for our daughter that we've moved over into our son's room, and we've really liked it so far, so we decided to go with them again. And here are our mattresses. They are Tuft and Needle from Amazon. Mattress protector. I found these and they had that Oak-Tech standard, so I was really glad about that. I tried to buy organic things or things with a higher standard, and they were really well priced on Amazon. We are going to get, on the weekend, we'll get a board on here like we did. Whoa. You put down just a bit of a board. A bit more support. Tuft and Needle, we have these in all of our beds in our home, and they are really great mattresses with also really good standards and well priced for what you get. Oh wow, it's already standing. A lot of mattresses actually have really harsh chemicals and let off a lot of fumes and things like that, where these, as I said, the standards are extremely high and they pass a lot of tests that many spongy kind of mattresses do not pass. So we've had it, and so far I will definitely continue to purchase them when we need to get another bed. Not that we do, because obviously we're buying beds now, but we would like to get a king bed in our main bedroom. So when we do that, we will get one of these again. So I've got these from Costco, White House counter. Hey, so rooms are finally done. Honestly, I was quite worried at first trying to fit all the furniture in and fit all the kids in, but when I was finished I was really happy, and it still felt really spacious but cozy at the same time, and really enjoyable for the kids to play. This little table I actually found at Target for only $20. No, it's not real wood, but for the quality that it is, for the price, you really can't beat it. Most of these little baskets I actually have also gotten at Target over probably the last few years, a year or so, and I just waited till they had specials on, and then I would purchase them, and they have been really excellent and a pretty way to store the kids' toys. I was also kind of worried what a double bunk would look like in one of these rooms. We did the low double bunk, which I'm really glad about. But also I was really happy with the result. We have this cute little corner where I've put pretty much all of her toys down low so she can play with them, the bigger things. And the kids have been having a lot of fun in this room as well. And I really am happy with how it looks. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope it was encouraging and enjoyable and inspiring. If you've been wanting to organize something or redo something, I hope this was for you. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.